More and more wire harness processing and connector companies are choosing fully automatic connector housing insertion machines. As shown in this video, a workshop that previously required hundreds of people, but now only needs a dozen machines and a dozen operators. Because the previous semi-auto method required significant human resources and meticulous production planning and coordination, from wire cutting and crimping to quality inspection and manual connector insertion for each wire required multiple work teams to cooperate closely. However, due to personnel turnover and uncontrollable workflow variations, the traditional semi-automatic plus manual assembly method is increasingly unable to guarantee the processing requirements of high-precision wire harnesses. Therefore, the demand for automated equipment in wire harness processing is growing. This type of wire harness connector housing insertion machine can simultaneously perform wire feeding, wire selection, cutting, stripping, crimping, and connector insertion. The process is monitored by pressure inspection (CFM) and camera check (CCD) for quality control and defect removal. In addition to the standard functions described earlier, it can also integrate functions such as waterproof seal insertion, tinning, soldering, and tube marking, achieving a truly integrated and fully automated process. A single skilled worker can operate multiple machines and handle material changes, while quality control is managed through an online monitoring system to control waste and make adjustments. This significantly improves wire harness processing efficiency and reduces the defect rate. One machine can replace the equivalent processing efficiency of at least 6 to 8 people, which is why more and more wire harness manufacturers are choosing automatic connector housing insertion equipment. Here, this chapter will show the details of how this type of machine is working. It can allow the multicolor wires feeding at the same time, and then control different lines by the nozzle processing, until the completion of the final connector housing harness insertion. The whole process without the need for labor force intervention, only the operator to patrol back and forth. The machine will be completed by batch quantitative production. In the equipment found defective products or lack of material, the machine will alarm prompt the operator to eliminate and refeed and other work. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to know more about this wire harness equipment, please subscribe to my channel. We will show more videos of these machines in real running live to provide more options and suggestions.